Hi guys, Jennifer Taylor here. How you doing? I'm doing the unboxing. I'm going to be doing it a little different, so tell me if you like me doing it this way so you can see the beads better. This is the unboxing for Potomac Beads April treasure box. Okay, so we're going to get started because I'm usually really slow about it. So this is the name of the box. It's called Violet Meadow. And this is all the goodies you get in it. Okay. And I think if you can see my bead tray, I'm going to take out what I have and put it on my tray. So I usually take pictures after anyway. So I thought, well, maybe I could do both. And you'll see the beads a little bit better while I'm unboxing. So this is the Fire Agate faceted, a 15-inch strand of mixed colors. But it does look mostly has a lot of green. Aren't those pretty? So anyway, I'm going to line them up here, and then I'll zoom in on them at the end. How's that? I don't know if you can see me putting them on my tray. I'm trying it different. I'm trying to get everything in frame. It's a little harder than I thought. I don't have an overhead set up. This is the check drop beads in white blue luster. I guess I should have hooked my overhead up. It's like a clip-on. It's not a fancy do. Can you see those at all? I'm not sure. Okay, well, we're just going to keep on going, and then I'll give a zoom in at the end. How was that? This is a Potomac Beads Athena cast bead caps in filigree flower, and they're 4mm. Aren't those so pretty? And these are the Potomac crystal rounds, 3mm in amethyst. Ooh, those are so sparkly. So sparkly. This is how I usually take pictures after, when you see me take a little video clip. This is a check heart beads in 6mm Ruby Vega. I'm pouring them on my tray here, and then I'll give you guys a nice close-up of what everything is on my tray. I'm sure let's see, check mint leaf beads. Oh, I love check glass beads. They're my favorite. They always have like an intricate design on them, or just the colors are gorgeous. Can you see those? They're just so pretty. Okay, round duo beads, turquoise Picasso, 5mm. And if you screenshot my item list, or you can go on their website and see exactly what's in this kit, it'll have it listed on potomacbeads.com. Oh, yes, I showed you this. I thought I forgot. I went on autopilot there. Athena cast charms, outline of peace sign. These are pretty. These are calling to be made into earrings, right? Definitely. So pretty. Just eyed it out of the corner of my hair. Bead Tech laser cut wood flower bookmark. Ooh. That is pretty cool. Oh, I just got my new book in the mail. I'm gonna make a bookmark. Oh, yay. So excited about that. It's just, look at, it has like a little flower design. Love it. Looks like cherry blossoms to me. Check glass cathedral beads. These are really pretty too. They have like a green and brown depending on the way you're looking at them. And they're super sparkly. And yeah, you can watch me struggle opening these packages because sometimes my fingers don't really want to work as well as they should be. Let's see. These are Potomac Crystal Rose Monty's Color Shift Phoenix. Pack of 24. Oh, okay. These are like, yeah. Hold on, I'll take them out and show you. These are like a rhinestone in a setting. And I'm sure I'm not going to be able to hold this up to show you because they're... And then the back side. Let's see if I can flip it around. I don't know if you can see that. Nope. I'll leave one upside down on here so you can see what it looks like. You can, it has 4 ways to put through. So you could sew it on, you could thread it, you can use your beading wire on it. This is a strand of, I'm going to say, the glass, no. Guys, help me out with this one. Are these are the strand of, like, are they the rondelle beads? Anyway, these are really pretty. Spring, I have spring fever or something. Cause like, I'm like, I don't know. Like, I'm all like jacked up today. Maybe it was that extra dark coffee I had, but oh gosh. I'm just glad that we're out of winter weather because, ooh, that was a long winter. I was having some winter blues going on, and having COVID a month ago was not really helping me. So there's that. And RA flares like crazy. Potomac beads, 16-inch strand, and these are lavender pearl. These are so pretty. Look how many you get. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Okay. So you're going to love my board when I have it all done. And I am sure I'm yapping way longer than necessary, like usual. This is check glass tile beads in turquoise. Look at those. I love big beads. Hence the big beads. Look at my necklace. Made this a while back. This is from like upcycled beads and thrifted beads. And if I can get the package open, I can show you these. Oh, these are gorgeous. Look at the color. I love the variation of color. I love it, love it. Okay. Let's see what else. We also have Bead Tech knotting cord in beige. All right, that's very cool. That's pretty. It's almost like it has a iridescent to it, a shimmer to it. That's the word. Very cool. We'll be using that to make our bookmark. And then let's see what else. Oh, last thing. But this is pretty cool. This is well, I saw it on here. Seed bead, Azuki seed bead 11-0 collection. Look, it comes in a little organizer. Isn't that awesome? Yeah, that is. Look at the beautiful spring colors. Like purple, pink, ooh, fuchsia. Love those. Okay. I'm going to take these out of the package because I'm going to show you my board. And then I'm going to, yeah, show you my board. I can't even talk today. Alrighty, ready? Here, we're flipping the camera around. All right, we're not flipping the camera around. I don't know, I'm having all kinds of technical difficulties. Can you see that? Aren't these gorgeous? I'm gonna zoom. We're doing this a little not traditional here. Can you see? Or am I in frame here? Okay, there we go. Aren't those gorgeous? Love it. This is the April Violet Meadow Potomac Beads treasure box. And that's a wrap, guys. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Have a good day. Bye.